Hi, I'm going to show you how to join the Moodle so that we can get working on the site. This is the Moodle site of the University of the Bahamas. You get here by going to the UB homepage and selecting up here Moodle banner. That will bring you to this Moodle login page. You go up here to the right corner, check login, and you need to put in your credentials, your login credentials that they send you to access the UB systems. And when you get in, it will bring you to your profile page. I have my profile set up. You can put a picture in here. I would like to have a picture of my student so I can recognize you. But if you don't feel comfortable with that, you can put in some other image. Go up here to courses to find my course, and you're going to go to Fall 2019. When you go to Fall 2019 and search courses, you're just going to put in ENGL for English and 119. And you're just going to search that. Now this first one is from the fall, so you don't want that one. You want to scroll down here, and this is the fall 2019. This is the course you want. You will log in. Now I'm already a member, but if you're not a member, what you'll get is a little link like this that says enroll me when you're on that page. So you'll just press enroll me to get in. There's no enrollment key, so you should easily be able to get in. Okay, so once you're in, I'm just going to switch this over to the student view. Okay, this is how it should look for you as a student. Okay, this is the course introduction. I have a little video introduction here. You should read about the course, general information about the course. There's a generic course outline. This is all the specifications that are required for the course according to the English School of English Studies. This is my syllabus for this course. It is not complete yet, but I will be updating it soon, and that will be ready to go. I'll put that as a PDF when it's ready, and I'll send out a notification. In the meanwhile, you should get down and you can look at announcements. Announcements right now is just showing the workshops that are taking place, but when we have new announcements, they'll be sent to your email automatically. Getting to know you is a forum. This is a forum that I've asked that you start by presenting yourself, add a new discussion topic, and introduce yourself to the group in 40 words to everyone else. And I'd like you also to reply on another person's forum so that you can welcome them to the class. You can come up here to this menu to get back to the main page. Okay? When you scroll down, you'll see week number 1 is up and ready to go. The first step is purchase the English 119 booklet. Then you need to join, turn it in. We'll talk a little bit more about that. I'll have more explanation, but for now you need to join. And I have a video down there describing it. Okay? And then here's the join, turn it in. Okay? This is where you can purchase the online booklet with the link to the PayPal. You can join, turn it in. There's a video here describing how you can do that with the link and the course ID and the English 119. That is the other website that we'll be using for the course, so you need to go to turn it in. That's where you will upload essay drafts so it can be checked for any kind of similarity or plagiarism. You will also do some peer review activities in Turnitin. And then the first assignment that you'll have is the sample essay, okay? So you should go in there and complete that. When you click on this, you'll see this is diagnostic only. There's a prompt here to write a formal essay. And if you scroll down, you will see that there's a submission. Edit submission. And I just did a practice one here, a country I want to visit, China, and I just started it. You would complete the whole essay, save changes, and then that will time out that when you can't change it anymore, okay, until the due date. It is due by August 28th. After August 28th, you can't change it. Okay, so you want to go back to week number 1. After you do the sample essay, you should do assignment number 1. Assignment number 1 works the same way. You click on the title, you'll go in there, you'll get a text box, you'll submit your assignment. Most of the assignments The assignments, which are numbered, assignment 1, 2, 3, they will be just in a text box online. There'll be some online forums and some other things that we'll do. In the next week, we will do read and the first essay in the textbook or the booklet. I have put it in here for you in case you don't have it yet, but by next week you should have the book. Okay, so assignment number 2 is to answer these questions, and then assignment number 3 is reflecting on my writing education. Okay, and then we will go into week 3. Week 3 material isn't up yet, but it will be up, and that's when we'll start the COIL project. I'll explain more on that, but that's a collaborative online international learning, and we will be working with another group of students from a college in New York City, and we'll be working on another website. So I'll have an introduction to that and show you how to join that site and get working on those assignments. If you have any questions, please let me know. I look forward to working with you. Remember, we still have some workshops coming up. There will be one tomorrow, Friday. I'm just looking here at the list. We have one today. We have one tomorrow at 2 to 3:30 on campus. We have one on Saturday at 10 to 11:30 a.m. So far, I only have one student that signed up for that, but I will be there. And then on Monday, we will be back at the library. I'll be in the library 2:30 to 3:30. So again, any questions, please let me know right away. Thank you.